Yo, it's Lando, and it's the Hip Hop Lab, man. And this YFN Lucci situation keep getting more and more crazy. Today, we got the motherfucking video conference call, video court date with him in court talking to the judge, and the judge denying his bond. He will have to spend the time that he's fighting this case behind bars. But this shit's starting to look kind of like a YNW Melly situation. I'm gonna let y'all check out the court date and then give y'all some more details with this whole shit.
Felonies. Mr. Finley, Mr. Banks, are you waiving sounding of the charges, or would you like me to read the charges?
We're waiving.
All right, and have you informed your client of the charges against him?
We have, Your Honor. I'll point to Your Honor that there is a series of 3 warrants to entertain, one ending in 1-4 that is felony murder, and then 1-3 and 1-5, which are the underlying aggravated assaults. There is the triggering mechanism, obviously, is the aggravated assaults. On their face, 1-3 does not in any way allege that Mr. Bennett is the perpetrator of aggravated assault, or for that matter, the party to the crime of aggravated assault, and therefore making 1-4 felony murder as to that allegation impossible. The same thing with 1-5. His proximity in a vehicle to someone with a gun is not what establishes aggravated assault.
Detailed in the face of the warrant is his roles, specifically in the conduct that gave rise to the aggravated assault, and then subsequently the felony murder, which will include him allowing the occupants of his vehicle, him being the driver of the subject vehicle, to actually get out of the vehicle, fire multiple rounds, and then drive off with those occupants. So based on what the court has before it in the affidavits for all the warrants, there's more than enough to continue on and to find probable cause at this juncture. Mr. Bennett, because of the COVID crisis, I'm not able to tell you when your next court date will be. You will receive notice of your next court date from the jail. Is there anything further on this case from the state? No, Your Honor. Is there anything further?
Now, allegedly, this is what they are saying happened. YFN Lucci and one of his friends was riding around in the opposition neighborhood shooting off shots. And when they were shooting off shots, somebody returned fire and shot YFN Lucci mans in the head. And instead of taking him to the hospital or trying to get him any type of help, shit, they just pushed the nigga out the SUV. And now I'm going to play the 911 call for y'all that really was the driving factor behind him getting arrested.
Baby, can y'all please get an ambulance here? This man is dying. He just took his last breath, man.
On the way already. Tell me exactly what happened.
We don't know. Me and my sister, we were just walking down the street, and somebody just rolled down the street with a man hanging out the car. They just pushed him out the truck and left him for dead.
So let me know what y'all think, man. Do you feel like Lucci is cooked? Do you feel like we'll ever see YFN Lucci see daylight again? Y'all feel like he gonna beat the case? What are y'all opinions on the whole situation? I'm gonna make sure I keep y'all updated on this. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if y'all want more content like this. It's the Hip Hop Lab.